Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, are you good? Holy, bro!
We're good. Yeah, we're fine.
Holy, dude.
Good thing I can take.
Calling the cops. You hit my mirror.
Real milk joke comic now. Okay. I like country music. I'm a big country music fan. Country music's the best. It is the best. I like a lot of working man country songs, you know, like Burl Haggard probably has the most famous. He has Working Man's Blues, really great song, yeah, really good. And then another favorite of mine in the 90s was a song by Brooks and Dunn called Hard Working Man. Big fan of that, Hard Working Man. And I don't know if you've heard that one before, but I'd like to tell you about it. I'd like to talk to you about it. So best that you haven't heard it, that way we can be flushed to you. But the song, the first verse of the song is like a job interview or a resume, you know. He's just kind of letting you know who he is and how he likes to do things.
No signal.
Oh, he flipped you off.
B-Z-E-Z.
Yo!
I'm sure you're aware why I pulled you over.
What did I do?
You're speeding.
Speeding. I'm on my way to my birthday party.
Okay.
I haven't driven the Ferrari for a while.
You can't go 130.
I wasn't doing it.
I locked you. I locked your speed.
How? When I'm behind you.
Yeah, you passed that Civic.
Yeah, but you can't tag me.
Yes, I can. I have a radar in my car. There's nothing I can do.
And you're gonna tag me at 130?
Yes, you're going 130.
Can I see the radar?
Yes, absolutely. Of course. I don't have to show you, but I'll show you. Yellow? Number there?
But that's me?
That's you.
Officer, please, my birthday.
There's
Give me
nothing.
some.
Unfortunately, there's nothing I can
So
do.
it's a ticket?
It's a stunt.
I'm on my way to my birthday party. Please,
It's a
officer. Please.
There's nothing I can do.
They're gonna take my car?
Yes.
Officer! Please. Please, officer, please just give me the ticket. I beg you.
I can't give you a ticket.
Officer!
Sure,
I gotta have my mother and father come to pick me up. Ma, you have to come pick me up. The police pulled me over. Oh.